Hi everyone. So, which are 22 cheap stocks according to Morgan Stanley? Investors shouldn't be fooled by the bear market rally, says Morgan Stanley, but they should buy these 22 undervalued stocks that will beat the S&P over the next year, they say. So, there's a list of the companies. That's not what bothers me. What bothers me, as you will know, is I have an approved list which goes through 10,000 stocks, including all of these, and then measures them and filters them and squeezes them until it gets the best of the best of the best based on valuation, profitability, revenue growth, cash flow, momentum, volatility, and a whole host of other factors, which I extract out of their share price movements and their accounts, their profit and loss, their cash flow, and their balance sheet. So, which were the companies which were on there? Ta-da! APA Corporation and Nucor are the two. And this is how they look. That's APA, and there's a projection for you. In about a year, I expect a 63% return on that one. And Nucor, I've not put the projection on there. I expect it to go along a similar kind of trajectory as it's been going up till now. You're welcome. Campaign to teach 1 million people how to invest. Have a look at my campaignfor1million.com. I've got free books on there. I've got free articles, free videos, free education, free training. It's a campaign to teach 1 million people how to be better investors. If you want an internship with my FCA regulated asset management company, that's through there. Whole bunch of other stuff all through there. Thank you very much. Do like, follow, and share.